How to update your Instagram account to the newest version. I'm going to tell you how to update Instagram to the latest version and ensure you're always using the newest feature. First, open your device's App Store. If you're on Android, go to the Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Instagram and tap on it when it appears. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. If it says open, you're already up to date. To enable automatic update, go back to the Instagram page in your App Store, tap the three dots. This ensures you'll always have the newest version without manually checking. If you're not seeing updates, try restarting your phone or clearing the App Store cache. Sometimes, new updates roll out gradually, so you might have to wait a bit before it's available for your account.